Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix glitched wheels stuck in the ground. So for example, if I grab the wheel and try to attach it here, I cannot do that. There is no place to attach a button here. So basically the wheels, usually front wheels, is glitched on the ground. So what you need to do here, you need to go next to it. You should see a little part of the wheel here. And what you need to do here is to press F to grab. And once you grab it, then you can place it, right? As you can see here, it's not working. Let's place again. Let's go with another side and then place it here. And now, as you can see here, wheels is good, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.